Log into your MyRec account by entering your email address and password. Click the blue Login button. Click on the Program Registration button in the bar at the top of the page. Select an activity. Hyperlinked activities are available for registration. Click on the hyperlink to learn more about each activity. Click on Show for additional activity information and to register. After you have chosen the program you want to register for, click the blue Book Now button. Double-check this is the program you wish to register for. Correct location, day of the week, time of day, correct fee. If yes, click the blue Book Now button. Select the individual you want to register for the class, answer any questions that pop up, then click Next. Choose the appropriate fee, click Next. Make your payment by filling in your payment information and clicking Place My Order. Next, you should receive a registration confirmation that will include details on the program for which you registered and the name of the participant. Congratulations, you are all registered. We hope you enjoy your program. If you need additional help, you can always call our recreation phone line at 902-490-6666 or drop by your local municipal recreation center.